Say hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Welcome to the channel. Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys, if you're new here, my name is Kay and I am a first-time mom of a 3-year-old little boy named King. Today is Mother's Day and I just wanted to come on here and acknowledge all of you beautiful, amazing moms out there. I started this channel for a lot of reasons, you guys. Number one, I started it for moms. I started it for moms who are like me, who are tired, stressed out, and all of the above. I started it for single moms and solo moms and adopted moms and just moms in general. I also started it so that I'd be able to look back on me and my son's life and to see where we've grown from then until now, and just have that kind of to see how I've progressed as a mom and to see how my little boy has progressed and how he's grown as well. Sometimes I still cannot believe I'm a mom. Like, it still really just blows my mind sometimes. I am on my 3rd Mother's Day and it still has not registered to me. As I sit here on my 3rd Mother's Day, I do think about my own mother. I lost my mom about 16 years ago almost, and I miss my mom every single day. I mean, the pain never really goes away, honestly. I remember the mother that she was to me. A mother's love is unconditional, and it is unwavering, and it is steadfast, and that was how my mom loved me. My mom always had my back. She always took up for me when people put me down or anything. Like, she had my back all the time. And the type of mother that she was has taught me and molded me on the type of mother that I want to be for my own son. So it's just really hard sometimes to be a mom and not have my mom here with me. I can't imagine any child on this planet that could have been loved more than I was as a kid. So on this day, I cannot help but to go back and just remember my mom and what she always did for me and how she made me feel so loved, how she made me the person that I am today and enabled me to be the type of mother that I want to be to my own son. And although it is Mother's Day, I have to acknowledge my baby, because without him, I would not be a mother. His presence in my life really has been the culmination of all the things that I took from my mother, and I just hope that I can give him the same feeling that my mother gave me. The relationship and the bond that I have with King is beyond measure. And the love I received as a child is what has taught me how to love him. And although motherhood is trying, and it is hard, and it is taxing, there is nothing I'd rather wake up and do every single day than to be a mother. Every day a mother wakes up with someone else in mind. They wake up every day willingly and happily putting someone else before themselves. That is true motherhood. That is the definition of a mother. So on this day, I really just want to honor and acknowledge each other, because we really deserve it. So to all my moms out there with the messy buns and the milk stained shirts and the bags under their eyes, carrying the world on their shoulders, wear all of that with pride, because that is a mom's uniform. And to all the mothers whose hair is perfectly placed with no stains on their shirt and walk around with the world in their pockets and they got this, hats off to you. And also, could you teach me your secret, because I don't know how to do any of that. I mean, I'm just saying, hit me in the comments. Let me know how you guys do it, because I don't know. Send me an email, something, because I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Yeah. But regardless of whether you guys keep it together or whether or not the whole world can read on your face that you are tired, it doesn't matter, because we all still wear that beautiful crown of motherhood. And no matter what or how we wear anything else, that crown stays in place. So to all you amazing, strong, beautiful, courageous, honorable women who wake up every single day and raise your babies, pat yourself on the back, because you deserve it. Just any of you who are out there, I just want to remind you to call your mom, call a mother if you guys aren't speaking, or if you guys are having some type of issue or anything like that. None of that matters today. You pick up the phone, you send a text, you send an email. I don't care if you send a carrier pigeon. You get in contact with your mother and you tell her Happy Mother's Day. Our mother's love and guidance has made us into the people that we are today. So we have to, no matter what, show them that love and that appreciation. And it may not be that it's your biological mom. It may be an aunt or an older cousin or an adopted mom or anything like that. Anybody who's been in your life that has played that mother role for you, call them and tell them Happy Mother's Day, and whatever issues you have, make it right. So I'm sorry guys, I'm done with my little ramble here, but I just wanted to tell everybody Happy Mother's Day. Happy Heavenly Mother's Day to all the moms who are not here anymore, but who live in our hearts. And no matter what, we are still following in their footsteps and taking heed to the guidance that they gave us when we were children. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, Happy Mother's Day. Bye.